Welcome back to MazieSeeC channel. Today, we're reacting to the neighborhood office, and someone's definitely causing some hilarious drama. Let's go. Oh, she went with dark gray tiles. So sleek, so chic, and that deep blue wallpaper. Okay, Mystery Mansion vibes unlocked. Dark navy, ultra soft, totally detective core blanket fort. A shelf above, soft yellow lamp, and matching green plants on both sides. Oh, those green plants, instant forest vibes. It's like the whole room just breathed. So fresh and alive. Oh wow, there's the desk. And wait, is that an old school CPU tower? That chunky gray box looks exactly like the computer her dad bought her back in the day. Nostalgia just punched me in the face. Then comes a green rug, paper scattered, a retro phone, and a candelabra. Stop it. She's mixing detective drama with royal vibes and pulling it off. A green rug, a vintage PC, a feather quill. This is retro detective heaven, and I'm living for it. Whoa, that display shelf, flowers, a tiny statue, a feather pen. It's giving mystery writer meets pro gamer vibes. Magnifying glass, alarm at 1327. Something's up. Then boom, cops go undercover, grab the evidence, and wait. Is that a suspect in jail? Wait, why are so many police showing up? Are we about to witness a secret mission? Or is someone hiding something huge? They're taking off their uniforms. Now, we're outside the police station. Wait, what? They're carrying whole boxes of evidence. Inside, hats, cameras, clues everywhere. And hold on, there's someone locked in a cell? What in the mystery drama is going on? Oh my gosh, this police station looks like it's straight out of a detective movie. Oh, we're starting in a pet shop? Wait, what is she doing? She's putting a fan and files into an evidence box. Hold up, this bedroom isn't just a bedroom. It's a full-on detective HQ. First thing unpacked, a wizard hat and a bag of money. Then boom, police hat, magnifying glass, walkie-talkie. Whoa, did not see that coming. A wizard hat, money bag, and crime gear. Okay, now I'm officially shocked. This girl's life is a whole movie. Wait, what is that? A feather duster? She's cleaning the crime scene. She found an old phone. Now, she's placing the phone neatly on the shelf like, oh my god, what are they even talking about that's making her this happy? I'm dying to know. The curiosity is eating me alive. New room, new vibes. Let's go. Gray brick wallpaper on the walls. Total mood. Then bam, blue tile floors. Oh, it's giving modern mystery mansion. Placing the toilet, the sink, the mirror. This is the most aesthetic crime-solving bathroom I've ever seen. Ooh, a medicine cabinet. Tissues, lotions, creams. This officer is ready for skincare and justice. The shelves quickly filled up. Shampoo, eyeshadow, bath products everywhere. And then boom, a white bathtub with greenery all around. It brought a luxurious spa vibe right to home. And she paired it with a checkered rug, toiletries, even 2 small trash cans. Who knew being cozy and clean could be so hard? Huh? What items will James choose? He picks the plant. Good answer, sir. Plants always win. And now it's kitchen time. Blue tiles on the wall, dark gray floor. Total detective hideout vibes, but make it homey. Sink goes in, stove's ready, fridge is standing tall, utensils and fruit basket. Oh yeah, this place is serving gourmet mystery energy. Oh wow, this kitchen is straight out of a cozy detective movie. Whoa, did you see that tea set just pop in? And hold up, is that a popcorn machine? Okay, snack queen alert. Then suddenly, macarons and a whole milk carton. She's literally solving mysteries on a sugar high and honestly, iconic. And now she's setting the table like it's a snack cafe. 2 stools, a milkshake, macarons just chillin'. This setup is too cute. Her vibe, immaculate. Her taste, delicious. Oh my gosh! Macarons, milkshake, popcorn. This crime scene tastes better than my whole weekend. On the table, there's this adorable setup. Snacks, a cute drink, and a tray with a whole cake like it's someone's birthday, but make it aesthetic. One guy in uniform turns with the sweetest smile. "You want anything to eat?" She tilts her head, all blushy. "An orange pie, please." He brings it over like it's a royal dessert platter. Soft glances, warm lighting. Okay, this isn't just a snack break. It's a love story unfolding over pie. They look so cute together, it's unfair. Whoa, this room's totally screaming Detective HQ, right? That gray brick wall, so intense. And then, bam! A purple curtain shows up like, yeah, I'm tough, but also fabulous. Then she drags in this huge desk, and hold up, an old computer with a big old warning sign on the screen. Oh my gosh, the way this room is decorated, it's so unique. I've never seen anything like this before. And the tiny side tables, they're loaded with evidence. Papers, a walkie-talkie, push pins. We're officially in crime wall mode. Wait, transition time. Zooming into the city. Oh, here we go. The detectives are on the move. Whoa, look at that box of clues. And the officer, she's geared up like she's about to crack the biggest case ever. Wait, is that a red gem? Oh, plot twist alert. And look, magnifying glass, check. Lantern, check. Walkie-talkie, nameplate. She's not just solving crimes. She's the actual sheriff out here. She starts digging into her big phone box like it's a treasure chest. And oh boy, the loot is good. This room's got secrets written all over it, and I'm obsessed. She's placing them all around the room like she's decorating a secret explorer's hideout. A sketch of a map goes on the wall. Okay, now it's giving Adventurer's Base Camp vibes. And just when you think she's done, nope, a telescope lands by the window. Is this a detective's room or a whole fantasy museum? I'm shook. Oh, the police arrived at the perfect moment, like they knew something was about to go down. This moment is too wholesome. My heart can't take it. Ooh, okay. They're switching rooms now, and it's getting cozy real fast. Blue tiles on the wall, gray floors on the ground. It's giving stylish mystery den, and the vibe is so real. Then boom, a dining table appears, and wait, are those donuts? Yup, we've officially entered the crime-fighting brunch zone, and honestly, I'm here for it. And oh, those gray armchairs, total perfection. She places them right in front of Mr. Smiley's son on the wall, like it's a spotlight for joy. This whole setup is a comfort dream come true. Oh my gosh, there's a giant TV on the wall with Netflix on screen. Okay, hold up. This isn't just a Detective HQ, it's a full-on luxury lounge. Okay, hold up, cute lights, check. Coffee table and ottoman, double check. This whole room just hit peak aesthetic mode. And whoa, here comes the detective dude. He's holding a glowing green gem like it's no big deal. He puts it down and bam! Trophies, medals, even a framed photo appear. This guy's not just solving crimes, he's a straight-up legend. Whoa, look at all those medals! Now he's walking over to the checkout counter. Wait, is that a photo? Yup, he's picking it up like it's the most precious thing ever. Aw, he's taking it home. Maybe it's a memory, maybe a clue. He's got a whole trophy museum in that glass case. So shiny I need sunglasses. Whoever stays in this room will definitely feel peaceful every day. Ta-da! Finally, after so much effort in arranging, decorating, choosing each item one by one, the room is completed. Looking back at the results now, I can only exclaim, so beautiful! I really can't believe it. This is like an installation art piece. Everything is in the right place. The color scheme is perfect. The green vibe is cool and cozy in every corner. Thank you so much for watching my video. Don't forget to drop a heart and hit that subscribe button for more.